How much do you use your internet data daily? 1 GB, 10 GB, 100 GB? Where did that entire internet data go? How did you use them? Online gaming with your friends, streaming videos, doing webinars, browsing social media, deploying production code, listening to online music? What if the internet stopped working for a day? What will you do? How would your business survive without data? Business owners and internet service providers, or the ISPs, are faced with growing data concerns that require a simple yet effective solution. First, we'll need to understand what is internet and how it operates. Did you know the internet is actually just a wire? Multiple network of wires that are located at the bottom of the ocean, which interconnect countries. These interconnections make the internet. Now imagine the wires as the roads that we use to travel every day. And now imagine you're about to browse a site in the UK from your local country. This is how the internet works in the background. Imagine your internet service provider as a shipping company with delivery trucks that travel on these roads. As you browse, a browsing request is created in the form of a data packet. And picture as if you're trying to buy an item from the UK. If the item you need from the UK can be found in the local warehouse, it will be picked up there immediately because the distance of the delivery route is much shorter than picking the item directly in the UK. This is an equivalent to the existence of Content Delivery Network, which is a group of servers located locally containing a replicate of the site content you're browsing for. Now let's go to another scenario. In this scenario, since your item is located abroad, the customs at the national border may need to first authenticate the item delivery, aka the browsing request. It is only allowed to proceed if both countries are allowing an exchange of access. This is an equivalent to the existence of internet exchange. This occurs when two or more ISPs agree to link up and exchange access to their respective internet traffic. Presenting Krypton Global Networks. Established in 2016, the main objective of Krypton is to create a global network enabling traffic exchange to be either local or global with a single port of entry to the exchange. We offer services such as IP transit, internet exchange and CDN. With IP transit, you are able to gain dedicated internet access with full bandwidth, maximum uptime, and low latency without sharing with anyone else. There are two types of IP transit. The benefits of implementing IP transit with us. A. Our extensive network of point of presence gives you unparalleled reach. B. With carrier-class routing from Juniper Networks, bandwidth-heavy traffic reaches its destination with minimal lag. C. Our border gateway protocol community systems and looking glass tools give you a complete insight of advertisement, traffic, routing, and network efficiency. D. We deploy IPv6 networking, which can also work seamlessly alongside the existing IPv4 services. E. We have diverse billing options such as flat rate, tiered, burstable, and our personal favorite, an aggregate committed data rate plan, which allows you to share your bandwidth with multiple ports and locations so that you only use your bandwidth whenever you need it without overpaying for idle capacity. With Internet Exchange, you can own multiple routes and choose different ISPs that offer the lowest cost deals with minimum latency and maximum speed. Krypton is connected to the major exchange connections globally. IX allows internet service providers, ISPs, to exchange internet traffic between their autonomous networks of systems through peering agreements. All the ISPs need to do is to cross-connect at our local data center, get connected to our Krypton Global Network, and then they can choose which exchange location they desire. Among the benefits of implementing Internet Exchange with us: A. Reduced transit purchase costs. Instead of paying different upstream ISPs transit charges, We will negotiate to exchange a proportion of their traffic with other members via peering. B. Reduced delay. Customers are mostly connected directly to the exchange, rather than needing to go through multiple levels of ISPs and IP service providers. C. Lower cost per Mbps of connection capacity. This is due to our network being built upon local area network-based technology, rather than wide area network-based technology. D. Better routing. This is because each member of our network will exchange their traffic via direct peering with each other to reduce round-trip delays. E. Greater resilience. Instead of connecting to single upstream ISP, you can connect to multiple ISPs and members of our network exchange to spread the risk of any single provider's failure. F. Flexible choice of connectivity providers. Simply switch suppliers anytime with our internet exchange rather than having to move or install wide area circuits. With CDN, you can now own locally based servers to host your content, and this will improve your website load times, reduce bandwidth costs, increase content availability, and improve website security. Why choose Krypton? Deal only with us and let us take care of all the PICs. We have a global presence in Dublin, Manchester, London, Singapore, Malaysia, Jakarta and Hong Kong. We can also support your business expansion if you're expanding to these countries. We have the world's finest customer service team where we have a maximum issue fixed time of 4 hours and 24/7 availability. So, what are you waiting for? Major brands have entrusted us to handle their internet traffic infrastructure. Why not you? We're here to ensure you don't have to deal with the problems we mentioned earlier, which could be catastrophic to any CEOs, CTOs or tech team who may need to face hundreds or millions of users to explain the root cause of the problem. Make the smart move today and let us be a part of you. Krypton Global Networks,